Hola chicos, this video is to review the first of the two quizzes that you took. I'm going to make one video for each quiz, and then I am also going to make a video to go over the fill in the blanks that you did on the preterite and the imperfect. So we'll go through this really quickly. If you have questions, please reach out to me and let me know. María siempre completa su trabajo a tiempo. Ella es trabajadora. Maria always completes her work on time. She is a hardworking individual. This is a personality trait. That's why we need to have ser. Number 2. Rafael es muy alto. Es el estrella de nuestro equipo de baloncesto. Rafael is very tall. He's the star of a basketball team. The only time I would say está muy alto is if he suddenly had a growth spurt. In this case, that's not the case because he's always tall. He's been the star of the basketball team for a while. So that's how you know that it is ser and not estar. There is nothing here to indicate that it's a change in him. It's just a description of what he looks like. Patricia siempre mira el lado positivo de las situaciones. Ella es muy optimista. Optimistic is a personality trait. We're going to always use that with ser. This is what Patricia is like as a human being. It's not an occasional feeling. It's who she is as a human. Maria. Oh, we need to look at the context here because guapa normally would be with ser. People are attractive or they're not. But we can also use guapa with estar if you look particularly good today. So the key words here are llevas un vestido nuevo. The context is, Maria, you look amazing today. Are you wearing a new dress? Remember that anytime that we can change the verb to be with to look or to feel, chances are we need to have estar. Maria, you look beautiful today. Maria is particularly beautiful today. She looks better than usual. We're indicating a change by saying, Maria, estás muy guapa. It needs to be estás because we're speaking directly to Maria, which we know because of that comma there, and also because we followed it up with a question for her. Number 5, ¿Cómo estás? Estoy estresado. Here's a hint. If estar is used in the question, chances are you're going to use it in the answer. We're asking somebody how they're feeling, and that person is feeling stressed. Yo nunca duermo por la noche. Por eso durante mi clase de historia a las 8 de la mañana, yo siempre estoy muy cansado. I never sleep at night. That's why during my history class at 8 a.m., I am always tired. Now, the word always might make you want to use ser, but being tired is a condition. If this person would actually sleep at night, they wouldn't be tired. So you have to look at things with estar as what is the norm for the body. The norm for the body is not to be tired. If you take a nap, you are no longer tired. There's that change in the condition within your body. You can also say, I feel tired. Cuando los estudiantes aprenden mucho español, los profesores de español están muy orgullosos de ellos. Orgullosos is one of these adjectives that has two meanings depending on whether it's used with ser or estar. When it's used with ser, it means that you are a proud human being, and it's negative. It means that you're arrogant. If you use it with estar, that means that you are feeling proud of something or of someone. So in this case, when the students learn a lot of Spanish, their teachers feel proud of them. Están muy orgullosos de ellos. No comas esa manzana, todavía está verde. Necesitas esperar o tendrás dolor de estómago. Verde is one of these adjectives that's different if it's ser or estar. If it's ser, it's just the color. If estar, it means that it's not ripened yet because most fruit when it's born on a tree or a bush is going to be green, and then it gets bigger and bigger and it ripens and ripens and then it can change colors. So in this case, you're going to get a tummy ache if you eat it now. It's not because the fruit is green that you're getting a tummy ache. It's because the fruit is not ripe that you're getting a tummy ache. So in this case, está verde. Tú eres muy listo. Sacas buenas notas en clase y nunca estudias. Listo is another adjective that has two meanings. Estar listo is to feel prepared, to be ready. If you're not prepared, then you're not prepared. So that's something that can change within you. When you use listo with ser, we're saying that you're intelligent, and that's a personality trait. So in this case, we know he gets good grades and he never studies, so he's automatically intelligent. Tú eres muy listo. And finally, for number 10, mis profesores de matemáticas y de física son muy aburridos. Yo siempre me aburro en sus clases. Quite a few people got this wrong. It's important to notice that estar aburrido is to be in a condition of being bored, to feel bored. Ser aburrido is to be a boring human being. In this case, the math and physics teacher are boring human beings, And because they are boring human beings, I always am bored in their class. So son muy aburridos. Yo siempre me aburro en sus clases. Yo estoy aburrida en sus clases. I feel bored in their class because they are boring human beings and they teach boring classes, unlike your Spanish teacher. Anywho, this was the first quiz. I will now make a video for the second one. Talk to you soon. Bye.